What's the first thing you do in the morning? Do you jump out of bed or hit snooze 5 times? Today, we'll follow 2 friends, Tom and Emma, through a full day from morning to night. And you'll practice speaking English just like them. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is all about your daily routine. What you do from the time you wake up to the time you go to bed. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your whole day in clear, natural English with confidence. We'll learn new phrases, repeat them together, and listen to Tom and Emma talk about their lives. So, grab your notebook or your coffee, and let's begin our English day together.
Oh no, it's 7:30 already. I woke up late again.
Good morning, Tom. Did you wake up yet?
Yeah, kind of. I usually wake up at 7, but today I overslept.
I wake up at 6:30 every day. I get up, make my bed, and brush my teeth.
You're so organized, Emma. I check my phone first, then get up slowly.
Classic Tom. Then I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually toast and coffee, sometimes eggs. What about you?
Honestly, I skip breakfast. I just grab a coffee on my way to work.
Oh no, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, you know.
I know. Maybe tomorrow.
Notice how they said wake up and get up? Wake up means you open your eyes. Get up means you leave the bed. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I get up at 7:30. Pronunciation tip. Say it smoothly. I get up at 7:30. The T and U join together, get up.
After breakfast, I go to work at 8:30.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, I drive my car. It takes about 20 minutes.
I take the bus. I like listening to music on the way.
That's nice. What do you do at work?
I check my emails, join meetings, and write reports.
Wow, sounds busy. I have a meeting every morning too. Then I have lunch with my co-workers at 1 o'clock.
I usually bring lunch from home. It's cheaper and healthier.
Smart idea. I buy lunch from a cafe nearby.
Let's repeat some of those. Ready? I go to work. I take the bus. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Pronunciation tip. Link words. Say, I go to work. Hear it? It's smooth. Go to work.
After work, I go to the gym. It helps me relax.
Nice. I usually go home and cook dinner.
That's great. What do you cook?
Something simple. Pasta, sometimes rice and vegetables.
Yum! After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
I take a shower and check my phone. Then I go to bed around 11.
I go to bed a bit earlier. I need my beauty sleep.
You always look fresh, Emma. Good night.
Good night, Tom. Sweet dreams.
Great! Let's practice these evening phrases. Repeat after me. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed. Now, a question for you. What time do you go to bed? Tell me in the comments below. Awesome job! You followed Tom and Emma through a full day. Now, let's break down the main phrases and practice speaking naturally. Morning phrases. Repeat after me, nice and slow. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I get up and brush my teeth. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower and eat breakfast. I take a shower and eat breakfast. Mini tip. Don't say I do brush my teeth. Just I brush my teeth. Simple present for habits. Afternoon phrases. I go to work. I go to work. I have lunch with my coworkers. I have lunch with my coworkers. I check my emails. I check my emails. Pronunciation tip. Say, check my emails. Join my and emails. It sounds natural. Evening phrases. I come home. I come home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I take a shower. I take a shower. I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 11. Good job! You sound great! Now let's try something fun. A quick speaking challenge. I'll say the time and you say the activity. Ready? 7 a.m. Yes, I wake up. 8 a.m. Perfect. I go to work. 1 p.m. Right. I have lunch. 7 p.m. Good. I cook dinner. 11 p.m. Excellent. I go to bed. Nice work, superstar. You're learning fast. Let's quickly review everything we learned today. Morning. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Afternoon. I go to work. I have lunch. I attend meetings. Evening. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed. Now, let's play a quick fill-in-the-blank game. Question 1. I usually blank before breakfast. Yes, I usually take a shower before breakfast. Question 2. In the afternoon, I blank my emails. Correct. I check my emails. Question 3. At night, I blank dinner. Perfect. I cook dinner. How many did you get right? Type your score in the comments and let's see who remembers the most. And that's our day, from morning to night in English. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine? What time do you wake up? Remember, speaking English every day, even for 5 minutes, makes a huge difference. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also learning English. I'll see you next, bright and early, for another English practice session. Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.